Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachukes and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal football updates and the news as they go all over the world. We must start with today's news. Mikel Arteta don contract COVID-19 for a second time, so I don't even know how this one take happen because me think say maybe Baba don collect vaccine as they preach. Say then they educate players, say me that they take vaccine. So me I don't understand how he take collect him own. Some people they talk say even if you don't take vaccine, say you fit still contract the same COVID-19. And that one me no can understand how it take fit happen scientifically. The thing they bust my brain. So now assistant coach that they call Albert Stuivenberg. Now he will take over the team, so Arteta will miss the match where Arsenal will play against Man City. Well, we just hope say it no go really affect the team preparation because they allowed for the dugout, go there for training, just put the pressure as everything go well. At the same time, Arsenal players they in high spirits for training. As all of them they train, they try to prepare for the match against Man City. Everybody they train, they play well, they do 1-2 passes, smile, they happy, just they rub shoulder together. So one of the notable misses we miss can be Tomiyasu. Tomiyasu not for training. Can be said Tomiyasu never really recover from his own COVID-19 issues. So they hope say the guy will recover anytime soon. And whether he don't recover, they wait say they go play later. I never really know, but we not see him for the training session. So that one come because they feel say maybe Baba never dey back to full fitness. Well, more they watch as they go turn up now. Maybe before the match will start, they go turn them in. More they watch. Bayern Munich don dey interested in signing Kulusevski from Juventus, and this one dey significant because we sef now will be front runners for this guy. We dey interested in signing the guy, so I no can understand where Bayern come take scam am now. Where Bayern come outside come talk say they wan join the mix. See them sef dey interested. They are looking for a direct winger, a goal scoring winger. So I don't know how all these things will turn out. Everything na just in maybe the next 3 or 4 days now. Will enter transfer window officially. Every market will come move, players going to move, in and out. So what they say as everything will turn out. I just hope say at the end of the day this guy will land for our next. Bellerin don come outside for media settings say he dey enjoy life for Real Betis, and the truth be say he no go even like to come back to England again. This guy don stay more than 10 years for Arsenal, so in the hope say after him loan stint for Real Betis, say Real Betis go fit extend the loan to a permanent stay, so then go enjoy game time there. Not too long ago, he helped Real Betis beat Barcelona. I think the guy is playing well there, he's enjoying himself. Say La Liga and EPL are different pace, you get, so that's why Bellerin gameplay now don't they suitable for La Liga, but for EPL, they suitable again. Gone are the days, those days where Bellerin the jackpot when they control that right flank, but now I'm a shit packer for us, but don't be warrior now, don't be winner for Real Betis. A good thing for them. Duncan Castle don't tell the transfer window podcast say Arsenal they interested in signing Tariq Lamptey from Brighton. So they're very happy for this one if it is true, because for what Baba they talking to Baba and pundits and transfer pundits, Baba don't come aside. They let us know what him don't see from his sources. They say Arsenal said they look for an understudy for Tomiyasu in case Tomiyasu no dey there, so they go put another right back, and that Tariq Lamptey, the guy did very very good. I think Brighton signed him from Chelsea because Chelsea no give a chance to come showcase his style of play for the limelight. So Brighton come carry and let everybody know say this guy is very very good. Arsenal be the reason the guy said they won't sign the guy before they even signed Tomiyasu, but the guy can't get injured that time, so that's why I believe say no one reason it matter. So after they don't sign Tomiyasu now, we can discover say all the understudy will get like Callum Chambers and Cedric Suarez, they are not good, they are below par, you get. So that's how they look say okay, if we have to enter top 4, we have to go somewhere great. We need an adequate cover for Tomiyasu, a good number 2, just like we will have Tierney and Tavares. We need somebody like that, like maybe Tomiyasu and Tariq Lamptey. So that kind of thing. That's how they reason this guy. Well, what do you watch as it go turn out? Arsenal the reason to go back for Lyon midfielder, which they call Gumares, and this guy Lyon they talk to the guy will cost £38 million. And not only Arsenal the reason the guy Roma self they inside the mix. I know say for the previous transfer window Arsenal go for this guy, so now we be say we don't lose some midfielders, we want strengthen our midfield. We are reportedly going back for the guy again, say the guy will make sense for our midfield, so we like to carry the guy. Well, I never know how everything will turn out. all these things wey we dey talk, make una no forget say all these players wey dey linked to, no be say we go buy all of them but e just be like say you dey go market na, you get your shopping list, you go get list of things wey you wan buy. Then when you reach there, you fit price this one, price this one, price this one, price this one, last you go carry one go house. No be so. So that's how e just be. So I just dey happy say we dey linked to good players. At the end of the day, we go just choose one dey go house. But at the same time, our monitoring spirit wey dey call team talk don come outside dey let us know say Arsenal dey consider Luka Jovic from Real Madrid, say they wan still sign this guy for January. You get. So I never know whether Real Madrid go really let this guy go, because they no really get another number 9 wey be understudy to Benzema. Just as Benzema dey na oti now. So as in dey na, they no fit bench am. You get, Baba dey play, and Benzema no be person wey be say they really get injury like that. Now only maybe when they don win like 3-0, 4-0. They'll come drafting Luka Jovic, and Jovic sef dey complain of game time. Don't forget say everybody wan go World Cup for 2022. But Jovic sef go need more game time. That's why Arsenal dey raising the guy say okay, they would like to bring am for January, come join their team. This one we say all those kind of Aubameyang no dey perform very well. Lacazette sef at the end of the summer na Baba go snide, that kind of thing. So the reason say okay, we'll find another person who go enter there. When last Lacazette sef though they really score, but in link up play they good. But at the same time, Luka Jovic sef get good link up play, so if we use the guy. So all these things now be the consideration, and the things so we dey factor in. Say January, we go for this guy, but everything they dependent on Real Madrid whether they go allow us get this guy. Hold the watch. Surprise, Philippe Coutinho don reject Newcastle for Arsenal. So the news over the year be say Coutinho team the reason say Newcastle project dey premature. You get they struggle to beat the drop. Unlike Arsenal, we say they for top 4, they fight how they go stay there, how they go go back to Europe. Arsenal own projects they more attracting, they more enticing. That's why they really say Arsenal are the best team wey go fit help Coutinho revive in career, because we all know what he can bring to the table, we all know how good he can be. You get, so we know him pedigree, we know where they come from. So that's why the reason say for England though, say the best team we go fit take him to glory days, we go fit take him to inform the way him be before. Now him be Arsenal Football Club. Well, all the watch as everything we talk. And what you hear from our monitoring spirit, they say Coutinho agents don already enter London. They don't reach London. Those people have been telling us say that they fly go London. They don't enter London now, and they plan meeting with Arsenal hierarchy. This one when Mikel don't get COVID-19, maybe the meeting will come stall small. We never really know. But after the meeting, anything they don't talk about this matter, whether the guy they come, I mean, they come, I will let you know, because everything there for public domain. But at the same time, Granit Xhaka don't come outside from media center when they give Aubameyang hope, when they let Aubameyang go see, Baba, that place where he did now, me I don't did there before. You get, once upon a time I was a captain. Before me and the fans can't get fallout, they can't come on me for captain level. So me, I nearly won't come up. I no be lie. That time, Granit Xhaka be one return to Borussia Mönchengladbach under Unai Emery, and then come out captain from your hand. So the fans, sure they can't be like scapegoats, like evil. Everybody hate time like mad. So after that come and say I can't talk say Baba no go anywhere again. No matter how your offenses, no matter your sins, everything has been forgiven. Everybody under me now is starting from a clean slate. So me just calm down. So they advise Aubameyang say that's the way they think now. Whatever you are going through, I've been there before. There's still a road to redemption. You can still come back with the team. And all this negativity, just polish them and make them turn them into a positive thing again. So when you come back, start to the bust net, now nobody will remember all these things we don't pass. You are not the first captain where you don't come out captain armband from your hand. You'll be the first person you don't mess up. So it is what it is. So all you have to do is don't really think of say you won't come out, you won't go join Newcastle, you won't go join any other small shit packing club. Just chill, calm down from here you get, and you can still rediscover your forms. Now the advice way I will give you. I don't know what you think about this advice with Granit Xhaka they give Aubameyang. What you think? About Kevin Campbell, will be one of our super pundits, don't come outside. Can they advise the Arsenal hierarchy? Say, make them go for Frenkie de Jong of Barcelona. I know say Barcelona don't put this guy for market, say they won't sell him because then say they won't raise money to buy more players. So this guy na very, very good box to box midfielder. When they buy this guy from Ajax, the guy na hoti that time. Everybody they find her, Juve they find her, PSG they find her, everybody they find her, but the guy can't choose Barcelona onto Messi influence. At the end of the day, Messi don't jack back. Only Baba can't did there. You know they enjoying gameplay there. You know all those guys they just buy that here. Everybody just they struggle for Barcelona. Nobody know what's in the shop again. So now the guy don't dey for sale. The guy Coutinho, all of them. even Testegen, all of them, they dey for sale. So I never know how it will be. But why they advise us, Moko go for the guy. For me personally, I would like Moko even go for the guy. I don't know what you think about this guy. But he then left for Edu Gaspar, Richard Garlic, and Ateta to decide whether they will need to bring this guy in. That's the main issue. And another thing is say the guy will cost at least £50 million because Barca said them buy him with huge money. And they don't go like nothing just go like that. Well, I don't know how to think about this advice. Another news they hear from Ligue 1, maybe French league, we say Jonathan David, they play very, very well. Say this guy don't outperform the likes of Mbappe, the likes of Ben Yedder, the likes of Messi, Neymar, all those Ligue 1 stars, because this guy has scored 12 goals in 19 matches, and even Mbappe himself never scored up to 12 goals. See, Mbappe don't score like 9. So the guy did very, very good this year. The guy now the guy they hot like mad. So that's why people like me now go to talk say make Arsenal finally sign this Jonathan David. The guy is very young. They play for Canada. He dey hot. He dey very good. I don't watch him on YouTube. If you never watch him, go watch this guy. Go see what's in and they talk. The guy dey very, very good. So he dey left for us now to use our tongue, count our teeth. You know, say this guy will be a better replacement for all those kind of Lacazette and all those kind of Aubameyang. He go link up play with all the young boys. So make everybody get fresh blood. Let me say if Martinelli dey move, Saka dey move, what the guy dey move, Jonathan David said go move. You get pace after pace, and it will make sense. I don't know how that is this guy. How many of them don't even watch this guy for YouTube? Then I see IMB. On my marital spiritual, they call the mirror. Don't come outside. They let us know. Say Jurgen Klopp, maybe Liverpool manager, saying they highly interested in signing Bukayo Saka. Saying would like to carry this guy in the future, come for Liverpool. And another people will report to the year they say Saka representatives, Saka agents, they relish the move, they like the move, they hope say in the year 2024 when Saka contracts will expire, so they would like to go join Liverpool, where will they guarantee them top 4 place, so they will go championship all the time, but Saka they perform at the highest level. You know, say Saka self like the deal, but we never know whether this is true or whether this is a lie, because I don't understand why Saka would like to come out for Arsenal. We make him who he is, go to Liverpool where we say you are not guaranteed a first team slot. What be the guarantee say Saka go play for Liverpool? Who you want bench? That's Salah you want bench. Because I guess Salah they play himself go play. She na Salah you want bench. I mean Amane you want bench. Which position you want play? I mean want go there go play left back. I go be the left back self no fit play there. So which position you want go there go become second field? You want go there go to play Benjamin? I don't understand the rationale behind this thinking. What would they hear say Saka agents? They talk say make him go play there. Well, what to watch it. I believe say for January now, and as the years they go forward, everything will be clearer. And this I believe say Arsenal no go let Saka contract run down to 2024 before they apply for an extension. That kind next year now, no extension will not live on the table. They won't extend at least that kind 2028. Give them more 5 years. I believe say now waiting will solve with that. Our Juventus don't slap £29.4 million transfer deal on Kulusevski. This what say around here say Arsenal interested in the deal, super interested. Tottenham Hotspur say they're very interested. They don't buy ourselves, don't they join the mix. They're gonna slap £29.4 million. Say anybody will need this guy. See the amount who wants when I come pay. So he's available for the highest bidder, and at the same time, they dependent on where the guys have set in mind. Say, now I won't go. So whether I go decide whether I want to join Tottenham Hotspur, whether I want to join Arsenal, or whether I want to join Bayern again. How everybody go bid for him. They will tell them their project, let them know what them plan for him, how they want me to play. So now he will decide. So hopefully with the press they making choose us, because the guy now one-legged man and lefty. If you see the way the guy they play, the guy is very good. No, so this lefty, I don't know. Footballers with lefty, they get one kind of special gifts. I don't know why. The guy they play like Robert, the way the guy they play, the guy left leg, back. No, I just like the way the guy they play. So now so you just be. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, just check the top left corner of your screen and you see the thumbnail. Click and so that you will get all the updates of Arsenal Football Club. Don't miss any update. Don't say that you talk about Arsenal story. You say, I never heard that before. So make sure you don't miss anything. And it's Achuk signing out. So we meet again tomorrow. So I get out.